YouTube Shorts are the easiest way for you to go viral. I mean, the easiest way for you to drive visibility to your channel, and you are having 1 view, at most 10 views on your YouTube Shorts. Something is definitely wrong. And in this video, I'll be exposing the things you're doing right and the ones you're doing absolutely wrong that is making you not to actually get visibility on those your Shorts videos. I'm going to take you through a screen record on the best way to upload on your YouTube Shorts. Before we dive right into the best way to upload your YouTube Shorts for you to gain visibility and a lot of views on that video, I'm going to take you through some things you should take note of when uploading your YouTube Shorts. Number one is the visibility of that YouTube Shorts. If the visibility has been turned to unlisted, not on public, then no matter how you try, that video can't do well. That video won't get views. You are the only one that will be watching that video, trust me. So for you to be on the safe side, make sure you check your settings and make sure that visibility is always turned on public rather than unlisted. If you want to leave it at unlisted, maybe you have other things you want to tweak, other SEO optimization you want to do, but I mean, it's YouTube Shorts. Are there really too much optimization to do? YouTube Shorts to me, I feel that it doesn't need much SEO optimization, because any random person can just start a YouTube Shorts video, and then their channel is all about shorts, and they will blow up from there without doing much SEO optimization. Sometimes I feel like this SEO thing, does it really work? Does it? Because when you see some channel, I'll be like, I don't understand. These people are really doing well, and there is no form of SEO optimization on their channel, on their videos, and they are doing well. Anyways, that's not why we are here, okay? We are here because we want to have views on our YouTube Shorts. All right. The second thing I'll be mentioning is hashtags. When you are to upload YouTube Shorts, please make sure that you reduce your hashtag to as low as 3, at most 3. No, I for one, I will use just one hashtag or 2, but to be on the safe side, make sure you're not using more than 3 hashtags on your YouTube Shorts, okay? You loading hashtags on your YouTube Short will not determine whether that video will do well or not. So please be careful, be mindful, and use the accurate and the most appropriate hashtags that you really need for that video to meet its audience. Then the next thing I'll be talking about is your title. Make sure your title is straight to the point, okay? Make sure your title is straight to the point. Don't just start using anyhow title, because people will just, people that are on the short feed, their retention capacity is very, very low. Or whatever your title wants to do, make sure it's doing it. So your title should be straight to the point. Don't go hitting around the bush, okay? So say what you want to say and make sure your video is in line with your title, okay? Make sure you're using a very catchy and a very short title, because if you go writing a whole long write-up and description, all those things doesn't really matter for me. Understand? It's not a long form video. If it's a long form video, then yes, of course. But if it's short, there are little or no much. There are no much arrangement, or I don't know how to put it. You don't need too much to make that video go viral, okay? These are the minor things you may be neglecting. Then the next is, make sure you're checking the timing of your shorts. If you're not a big channel, if your channel is not a big channel and people doesn't really know you, I'll suggest that you use a video around 60 seconds, okay? I know that YouTube has rolled out shorts of 3 minutes, so please don't fall victim to that, except you really know what you are doing and you are sure that you can keep your audience hooked and engaged from the beginning to the end. If not, just go with the 60 seconds video and you will be fine, okay? YouTube is going to help push that video very, very fast. Make sure your timing is in check. Make sure it's in check. You can use your YouTube Studio to know the best time in which your subscribers and your audience are on YouTube. So you want to upload the right time when they are much on YouTube, so they can be able to watch you at the few seconds you just uploaded that video, okay? That short video. Let's say you always upload 5 to 6 in the evening, make sure you upload that short video around that time so your viewers can be available to watch you immediately you upload. YouTube is going to give a right signal to YouTube to push that your shorts to more people. Understand? I mean, short is the easiest way. YouTube short is the easiest way for you to gain subscribers, for you to gain watch hours, for you to gain viewers that are not even have not viewers that have never seen your channel. You'll be so your channel will be so exposed to a whole lot of people of different geographies. So please, when I mean geography, I mean geographical, settings. Just make sure that you are uploading at the right time, okay, with the right frequency, video duration, and the right hashtags. Then another thing I want to talk about is the frequency in which you upload. Make sure when you are uploading a YouTube short, you are not bombarding it back to back. Give the algorithm time to push that particular one you just uploaded before you think of uploading another one. Okay, to me, I think posting more than 3 shorts in a day is, I don't know what to call it. Okay, posting more than 3 shorts is a no for me, and even 3 to me is much depending your niche. Understand? For me, one short a day is fine for me because I have other content I am going to be putting out on YouTube. So you don't want your YouTube shorts and your long form video to be, dragging visibility, dragging the algorithm up, and the algorithm will be confused. So make sure you're giving each of your videos time before you upload another one. Let's say you uploaded a long form video today, make sure you're uploading your shorts maybe in the evening or the following day. Yes. Or if your channel is really doing well, your channel is a big channel, you're already big content creator, big YouTuber, I don't really think this might really affect you. I'm talking for those of us that are young, that are just starting out on YouTube. Please make sure that you are giving the algorithm space to push each content in which you upload, be it the long form video, your short, or even your live stream. Okay, so that is going to be it. Now let's dive right into the screen record, and I'm going to be showing you how best you can upload to get visibility on your channel. Make sure that you are uploading with your normal YouTube app. Do not use the desktop version to upload here. Go to your YouTube app, not YouTube Studio. Okay, so when you get to YouTube app, you click on the plus icon here, pick any random video. So this is the video, and as you can see here, it said edit into a short. By the side it said next. When you click on next, it's going to take you to another page, all right, where you can put in some other things you want to put in. But we want to edit this into a short. You don't want to upload all this. If you're to go straight to next, it's going to send this to your normal long form video, which is not what we are going for, and we are going for the YouTube short version. So we're going to edit this into a short. Okay, so let's say I want to highlight a particular thing. So in this video I thought about how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. Okay, so let's just edit more. Okay, so as you can see, I have highlighted the place I want to highlight on this video. This particular short video, I did it 37 seconds. All right, it's just the same thing I mentioned earlier. Let's say we want to give this a write-up so people can see it at the first glance. So apart from going straight to the title, we can just put a write-up, or we can caption it. Okay, let's just add a caption. All right, I hope you're following me. YouTube paid, how much YouTube paid me. Okay, let us use that one. How much YouTube pays. Okay, let's just put it like that. Okay, so you can choose any color of your choice. You can choose any color. All right, it's just up to you to tweak it just the way you like. Okay, so you can also choose the fonts you want, any type of fonts you want. So you can choose, I like using this YouTube Sans, so That is it, done. And we are going to just leave it up here. Okay, so that is pretty much it. And you click on next. It's going to still take us back to that particular place. Remember, we didn't show it the first time, so we'll go back and do the same thing we did earlier. Okay, so related shorts, this, yeah, then altered content, no. Okay, and we are good to go. Let's say we want to upload this short, we'll just click on upload short, but we don't want to upload this short now, so we can just, leave it at what? Unlisted, so we can upload it tomorrow. You understand? We'll leave it at unlisted and upload the short. Then tomorrow we'll go and turn it on or toggle it on at our YouTube studio to be what public. I've already posted a video today. That's a YouTube short today, so that I don't want to bombard it with so much short. So tomorrow I'll post that one, or maybe next tomorrow, any other day, but not today. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This is the best way for you to upload on YouTube, for you to have massive views from your shorts. If you're doing this the wrong way before, I bet you after doing it this way, you won't be having any issue again. You'll be definitely having views on that your videos. So if you like this content and you would like to see more content from us, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, share, and please turn on post notifications so you get notified when we post a new content or a new video. Okay, so see you on the next one where I'll be sharing amazing tips and tricks for you to go viral. Love you.